Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to create a perfect 2x2 passport-style photo and add professional formal attire to your portrait using the power of Adobe Photoshop. This technique is a complete game changer if you need a professional headshot for your ID, driver's license, or job application, and do not want to spend money on a studio photographer. We will be using Photoshop's built-in AI tools to get this done in just a few minutes. Before we dive into the steps, if this tutorial helps you get that professional look you need, please hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips. Let's get started. The first step is to set up your workspace correctly. Open Photoshop, go to the top left, select File, and then click New. A dialog box will appear. Set your width to 2 inches, your height to 2 inches, and importantly, set your resolution to 300 dpi to ensure the image is crisp for printing. Click Create. Now that you have your blank document, you need to bring in your photo. Go to File, select Place Embedded, and choose your portrait. Once the image appears, you will likely need to adjust it. Press Ctrl+T on your keyboard to open Free Transform. Resize the image so your face is centered. A good rule of thumb is to make sure your face occupies about 60 to 70% of the frame. If your background is a bit messy or distracting, you can clean it up easily. Go to the Select menu at the top and click on Subject. Once Photoshop highlights you, go to Select and Mask to refine the edges if needed, and choose Output to Layer Mask. Create a new solid color layer filled with white and drag it underneath your portrait layer. Now for the most exciting part, let's add that formal clothing. Use the lasso tool from your toolbar and neatly draw a selection around your shoulder and chest area, where your casual clothes currently are. Once you've cleared the area, a generative fill bar will pop up. Click on it and type a specific prompt. For example, you could type formal business suit, or perhaps a black suit with a white shirt and tie. Click Generate and let the AI work its magic. Photoshop will offer you a few variations in the Properties panel, so choose the one that looks the most natural. Finally, you want to blend the suit with your original photo. Use Image, then Adjustments, and select Brightness and Contrast to match the light levels. If you want further control, go to Filter and Camera Raw Filter to fine-tune the colors, making sure the skin tones and the suit fabric feel like they belong together. And there you have it, a perfectly sized 2x2 photo with professional attire created in minutes. If this video helped you save time and money, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more useful Photoshop hacks. Thanks for watching.